Alright, we finally breaking below the Archer zone here. That was going to create some support for us. Again, here's the trade right here, but we had to wait because we have our Archer zone acting as support, and we need it to break below that. So now's the time to do that. Here, we have a double confirmation. This is a crossbow trade. It's an out of balance crossbow trade. We need a double confirmation. We don't care if it's oversold or overbought. It just so happens it's oversold, then we're still going to go short on this. So that just shows you the power of this particular indicator. So we execute our trade now. Short 6 contracts. It's a very high probability trade. There's our fill. Let's start off with 15 ticks on this. I think we might take it into 12. Possibly 10, but let's just see if the market picks up just a little bit right here. But we're in the trade right now. Again, this is oil. It's $10 a tick, 6 contracts. So we'll go for a $600 to $900 profit target here. That's going to be determined on the market. Now I'm expecting a breakdown. We're in a triangle right now, which is basically just a fancy name for consolidation, which is a fancy name for a triangle. And it just means the market is moving in a tight range. Okie doke. Let's go to break even on this thing. I think we've if price is going to retrace, 8 ticks, it might go higher. Let's go for a 10 tick profit target on this. So we'll go for a $600 profit target. This I don't like staying in trades this long. It just means there's a lot of positives to this going down more, but the negatives are it's just a lot can happen over time. And I like the quicker trades with decisive traders. Right now we are definitely in trending down. And but we have lots of different types of news comes out in the morning, unplanned news. So the longer we stay in a trade like this, the more susceptible we are to these types of fluctuations in the market that could knock us out. If it was a little bit of a faster moving market, well, we wouldn't be sitting here for this long. So I think 10 ticks is good. We came very close to our profit target already, and all we have to do now is wait for it to just pop down for 2 more ticks, and I think we're going to get that pretty easily here. We don't have any indications that this is going to go long. We're going to protect a little bit of our profit right here. It might be a little aggressive on where I'm on where we're putting our stop here, but I think we're going to be okay on this. I think we just need one little fall out here. We're looking at this area right here to become overbought, and we just haven't gotten there yet with a out of balance. We're looking for an overbought with an out of balance to exit the trade maybe a little bit early. We're overbought, but we're not out of balance yet. I'm looking for a breakup on our 1 minute bar to give us a finalization on getting out of this trade maybe a little bit early. I'm very close to pulling us out early here. Okay, maybe I won't have to. Nope, there it is. We did it. 600. Okay, well, that was a long and lengthy trade, but we managed to pull it off. And good way to start our morning here. We'll look for another trade. I would like to look for it. All right, here we got a short. Very nice short, and going with the trend. You gotta like that. So we'll go ahead and execute just 2 contracts on this because there's very little profit potential here based on some of our supports. So we'll go ahead and bang this in. And we're going to have a nice small stop, 3-tick stop here. This is going to be great. We'll go for a 6-tick profit target, and we'll go for a 3-tick stop. 1, 2, 3, and 6 ticks. There we go. All right. So we're set to go on this one. Wow, this is a great trade. 1 to 2 risk reward. We're just kind of looking at these 2 points right here on price, and we're comparing it to our arc this time, not our crossbow. And we got this nice little hook right here. And that's the setup, folks. It pretty easy, and we're in an overbought area right here. So this looks like a pretty nice little whippersnapper. Looks like we're hitting off of our profit target here. Again, we're in 2 contracts. Lower probability trade just on the 1-minute chart. And let's just give it a little time to flesh out here. And I think we we'll have our $120. There it is. Boom, bada bang. 120. So 720 for the morning. And anyway, that little example of what we do here at Day Trade Exchange. Hope to see you all in the room. All right.